You're watching the Giggle Bunch.
Hey, Chili. Why did the ice cream truck break down?
Because it had a rocky road.
Hey, Rex. What do you call a dinosaur that's sleeping?
A Dino Snore.
Hey, Luna. What did the traffic light say to the car?
Don't look. I'm about to change.
Hey, Chip, why'd you bring 2 pairs of pants to the course?
In case I got a hole in one.
Dino, why shouldn't you tell a taco a secret?
Because I might spill the beans.
Don't forget to subscribe. And check out the next video.